Hello, today I'm going to show you a few different ways of gift wrapping. Now these are some papers that we have done vegetable printing on it. So we will use these papers for making some goodie bags or some different ways of wrapping the gifts. So let's start with the conventional way. Suppose this is a gift and we fold from both the sides and apply a tape. You can also stick it. In the conventional way, we fold it here, fold it cross, then fold from both the sides, bring this here and put another tape here. The same way, you can do it on the other side, but this is the conventional way. Let's do it a little different. Now, the top side, instead of folding it in the same way, we will make it look like a chocolate wrapper. So, fold this paper carefully in a zigzag way, open it, use any satin ribbon and tie around it. Make a bow and cut out the extra. You can do this on one side or you can do the same way on both the sides so that it looks like a candy wrapper. Now let's go to the next side. Let's make a goodie bag. For that, first from one side, fold it towards the center. From the other side also, fold it towards the center but overlap around 1 centimeter and stick it. This is like a box style paper bag, but we'll make a variation in it. Now in a box style bag, we need 4 corners. We have only 2, so let's get 4 corners. From here, fold around 1.5 inch, which is parallel to this line. Same way, extend it on the other side so that it looks like a box. Now push the side in, bring these 2 lines together and fold it. The same way, bring these 2 lines together by pushing the side in and fold it. Now let this be the bottom of the bag. We'll make 2 folds and stick it. Apply glue on the first fold, fold it and stick. Again apply glue on the second fold and stick it firmly. Now when you open this bag, it becomes a box style bag. Now when we are making a bag, we pierce 2 holes here and tie the handle. But now for the goodie bag, we'll make something different. From the top, make fan folding with a width of just 1 centimeter. Carefully, we'll pierce a hole here. We will use a satin ribbon. Keep the satin ribbon and press it with the scissors. It comes out from the other side. Take some distance and cut it and tie this in a knot. Spread the span. This is a goodie bag. So in this way, you can have different types of fan foldings. On this, you can have a card to wish, or you can directly write it on this. Let's see another one. Suppose the paper is not enough for covering the gift. This paper is not enough. So let's fold it in a different way. Keep it cross. Fold one corner and put a sticky tape. Fold from one side and cover it here. Put another sticky tape here. Let's come to the third side. Make a fold here. Bring this straight to this line. Fold it here. You can fold this inside. Put another sticky tape. At last, cover the last side. Put a sticky tape here. In this way, you can cover a gift with a paper which seemed like will not fit the gift. It was a little smaller to wrap it in a conventional way. So in this way, you can wrap the gift.